India is the land of fasts. Our father of the nation fasted for 21 days straight. All in all, Gandhiji fasted 18 times. He said, "What the eyes are for the outer world, fasts are for the inner." During fasts, many people avoid flour, grains, spices, herbs, fast food, and vegetables. Ayurveda says that such a fast cleanses the body. Refraining from eating all these food items restarts the digestive fire in the body, which flushes out all toxins. This gives the body more energy. We say bye-bye to lethargy and dullness. The cells of our body get recharged. And when all that happens, the body and mind develop a closer connection. Celebrity nutritionist Rujuta Divekar says that fasting can give immediate benefits like lesser mood swings, better hormonal balance, smoother digestion, and clearer skin and denser hair. In fact, fasting of any kind has proven scientific benefits. According to Boulder Medical Center, fasting can reduce the risk of metabolic diseases. Did you know that fasting is such a healthy lifestyle choice that even countries outside India are promoting it? New Zealand has recently started a National Fasting Day. Starting by a health-based group called We Love Fasting, this festival aims to encourage people to give fasting a go and make it a culture among health-conscious New Zealanders. A lot of people may seem to think that they cannot fast because they feel too hungry. Well, that's not exactly true. We feel hungry because of a combination of three hormones: ghrelin in the stomach and NPY and AGRP in the hypothalamus. But the same body also has other hormones which tell the body, no, you don't need any more food. These are the satiety hormones. Leptin is an important one. You need to understand that every time you feel hungry, ghrelin is pulling a short-term hunger response on you. You can calm that hunger pang courtesy ghrelin by simply drinking water. That way, you are not a slave to this hormone and can easily fast. There's another benefit of fasting that's recently come out. Fasting can improve brain function. Yes, when you fast, you can get smarter. A study published by a highly respected source found that it increased the number of newly generated neural cells in rats. More studies on the subject confirm that fasting brings about mental clarity and a positive mood. So, next time you want to come up with $1 million idea, go on a fast. Jokes apart, here's something to truly worry about. As a country, we are facing an epidemic of diabetes. About 43.9 million people live with type 2 diabetes in India. Many of them are undiagnosed. And fasting can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes in overweight and obese people. A study by the University of Illinois, Chicago has found, however, if you're already suffering from diabetes or are pre-diabetic, then fasting might not be the right choice for your body type. We recommend you consult a medical practitioner to know what works best for you. Fasting has a number of benefits, but before going on any kind of fast, you should always consult a medical professional. We hope you liked this video. For more such content, keep watching this space.